lot has changed in life. Clearly, I cannot drink coffee and I went on a trip to Dubai. क्यों दिल्ली में क्यों रहना है मुझे? It's extremely hard to work out. I've been loving novels recently. मेरा सारा पैसा जो मैंने अभी earn करना शुरू किया है उड़ने वाला है ये कॉन्सर्ट्स में. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Anvi and I make videos related to fashion, lifestyle, DIY, vlogs, all the good stuff. So please subscribe to my channel if you're interested. So as you saw by the title, ये video बहुत ही chit-chatty, yapping video है just because I wanted to talk to you guys. It's been so long. I feel like there are a lot of new people here also, and I thought I'll give like a little background or introduction to myself for the people who don't know me. And for the people who do, I hope you still enjoy this video because मैं बहुत बक करने वाली हूँ और अगर तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है मेरी बक सुनना so stay till the end please. Yeah, I feel like मुझे याद भी नहीं है मेरी लास्ट वीडियो कौन सी थी जिसमें मैंने ऐसे get to know me question ऐसा कुछ किया था. And since then lot has changed in life clearly if you've been following the last few videos. So let's begin. First, let me just give like a basic introduction. Hi, my name is Anvi Vij. I am currently 23 years old. I just finished my college in May and it was a 5-year course from CEPT in Bachelor's of Design. I am now working at a company as a communication designer. But it's just like the title really doesn't do justice to all the things that I'm doing in the company, but I think I'll make a separate video for that. I live in Delhi. I'm a all in all Delhi girl, and I was studying in Ahmedabad, but I came back to Delhi. A lot of people ask me, like even my friends, and you know when we talk about it, we're like कि क्यों दिल्ली में क्यों रहना है मुझे? Why do I not want to stay in other cities or things like that? And I just always say कि I don't know क्या है, but I love Delhi. I just love it. I love Mumbai also, but as a city that I would go to just stay in for 2-3 days, have fun and come back. I can't see myself living in Mumbai for a long time. For a long time, I love Delhi, so I wanted to move back. One, because I love the city. Two, because my family is here, my friends are here, my doggo is here, and I feel like I have just been away from all of it for too long, which was also my decision, and I really am happy that I took that decision because now I know घर पे रहने की worth क्या होती है. Yeah, so that was like the basic introduction. Moving on, I think let's just start from where I left you guys, which was May. My college ended in May, then I came back home. There was a lot going on at home, like बहुत personal life issues, बहुत कुछ चल रहा था घर पे, so the whole June went in that. It was a very mentally stressful month, but we got through it. Then July was when I started my job, so June also went in a lot of job hunting, which was also very stressful because it's a very anxious time कि job मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी. But मैंने realize कर लिया है तुम जितनी कोशिश कर लो तुम्हें जो लिखा है वो मिलेगा. It was written that I get this job, so no matter how many jobs I applied to or how many interviews I gave, this is where I ended up. July is when I started this job. Instantly knew I would love it as I do. It's a little far, but ठीक है, I make use of my metro travel time by watching shows or reading books. इसी बहाने मेरी एक novel खत्म हो गई जो मैं बहुत टाइम से कोशिश कर रही थी खत्म करने की. Then came August and I went on a trip to Dubai, which was one of the most fun trips I've had till yet. I went to a water park for the first time in my life and didn't take any footage of that because obviously it was a water park, but it was so much fun, guys. I can't even tell you. It was a very fun trip all in all. Then since then I don't think there's really anything interesting happening in life. I'm just getting used to the new normal, which is very weird because for 5 years of my life I've been used to college, and getting used to office is whole another task. सब कुछ संभालना साथ में. I was saying this when I was doing my internship also कि office life में you're just basically living weekend to weekend. And yes, another mind-blowing thing about my office is that I have alternate Saturdays off. So I'm basically living alternate weekend to alternate weekend. It's so tiring just having a Sunday off. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि वो weekend है. तो मेरे लिए तो महीने में 2 ही weekend आते हैं. And it's very tiring to balance office, family, friends, health, your self time, your me time, things that you want to do for yourself, managing workouts, managing events. Adulting is tiring. Now that we're also talking about health, I have a major life update for you guys. I cannot drink coffee anymore. I know. I mean, I have to cut down on coffee now because of this acid reflux thing that I started having a few months back in July, I think. And I just get extreme cough when I start drinking coffee. Touch wood, it's been better in the last week or so. So I'm trying to start having coffee again. But it was so bad in the middle. I used to take a sip or two and I used to just cough so badly. And that also really took a toll on my mental health. मतलब तुम्हें लगेगा कि हाँ क्या है, you know, it's just coffee, but it was something that I really loved. If you know me, if you've seen my channel, you know my love for coffee. And मुझे बहुत irritation हुई थी कि क्यों मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है कि one thing that makes me happy I couldn't do. I used to literally wake up every single day dreaming about the coffee that I would have in the morning. And when I got to know कि मैं नहीं पी सकती, so I got very demotivated. Like I have to have an emotional support beverage. So I have switched to matcha. I'm not gonna say I love it, but I like it more than I used to. I used to hate it pehle and now I like it, so that's a big difference. I'm switching between matcha and coffee for my emotional support beverage. It's extremely hard to work out when you go to office because मैं literally सुबह 9 बजे ऑफिस के लिए निकलती हूँ, रात को 8 बजे तक आती हूँ. So the only time I can work out is after I come back or before I go. And after I come back मेरी हालत ही नहीं होती. So I have started working out before I go, which is 7:30-ish. I try to go to the gym. I am not gonna say I've been consistent in the sense that I go every day, but I've been consistent in the sense that I go 3-4 days a week. And पहले मैं अपने आप पे बहुत प्रेशर डालती थी कि नहीं अभी रोज़ जाना है, रोज़ नहीं जाएगी तो कैसे होगा, हाँ this that. Then I realized फालतू प्रेशर है, इसके चक्कर में मैं एक दिन भी नहीं जा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं मिस करती थी तो मुझे इतना गिल्टी फील होता था, फिर मैं जाती नहीं थी. तो मैंने रियलाइज़ कर लिया कि एक्सपेक्टेशन ही कम रखेंगे हम. तो अब मैंने एक्सपेक्ट ही ये करती हूँ कि मैं हफ्ते में 3-4 दिन जाऊँगी एंड आई विल बी हैप्पी विद दैट. एंड दैट हैज़ बीन हैपनिंग. सो थैंक गॉड. Oh my god, so many concerts. मेरा सारा पैसा जो मैंने अभी अर्न करना शुरू किया है उड़ने वाला है ये कॉन्सर्ट्स में. Thankfully I did not get tickets for a few, तो पैसे बच गए. But I got tickets for one of them, which I'm not gonna tell you because I don't want to jinx it. But obviously I will announce on YouTube or Instagram somewhere when I go for that concert. So you'll see it, and it's very soon, sooner than you think. So stay tuned for that. I'm currently watching Big Bang Theory. I was actually just watching the last 2 episodes of Big Bang Theory. Then I think I'm gonna start Call Me Babe because मैंने उसके बारे में बहुत सुना है. I also saw the recent season of Emily in Paris because that's an always show. I've been loving novels recently and I read this. So I'll tell you what my system is. I have started doing कि I have 2 novels with me, like 2 novels going on simultaneously. One is a fiction, one is a self-help. So recently the self-help one that I finished was a book called Manifest, and I cannot recommend it to you guys enough, especially like for people my age and people who believe in manifestation and want to get started with it. It's literally called like a beginner's guide to manifestation or something. I'll keep the photo here. But It is an amazing book. It's not कि ऐसे theory तुम पढ़ के बोर हो जाओगे, इतनी सारी theory है उसमें. It's a very practical step-by-step book, and it has like small exercises in it. So it has really changed my perspective on things, and I highly recommend it. If you guys want to start with this manifestation, or not even manifestation, if you guys just want to start with some positive thinking, energy, vibes in your life, you should really read it. The fiction book that I just finished was called The Happy Place by Emily Henry. Also very fun, very hooking. So I like this. I would also give this like a 9 on 10. And a book that I got recently. It's very different, and it's a very illustration type book, but it seemed very intriguing to me in the sense that it's called The Loop-de-Loop Zigzagging Journey to Adulthood, which is basically what I'm feeling right now. It's kind of like a guide, not a guide to adulthood, but just a person who's written their experience of adulthood through fun illustrations. So I'm currently starting this. Let's see. I'll give you guys a review once I finish it. Okay, I'll tell you my top 3. I have been loving the cute Punjabi romantic songs genre. So I love this song called Dil Tu Jadoo Dard Di Daba Tu. Bear with my singing because I can't put it because copyright issues. Then the second song that I love is Suniya Suniya Rata Te Rata De Vich Tu. And the third song, which is my new obsession, is ये मैं तुम्हें सुना देती हूँ because एक गाने में तो कॉपीराइट नहीं लगना चाहिए. So cute. I love the song. Yeah, I think that's it. If you guys have anything else you would want to know about me, please comment down below, and please comment down below what videos you want me to make, because I want to be consistent with YouTube. I know I'm saying this like every बार बोल चुकी हूँ, मुझे पता है, but I'm trying, guys, to balance it all out. Please be patient with me. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next one, which is going to be sooner and more consistent. So yeah, bye.